Welcome to Touring Globe. Traveling internationally for the first time can be an exciting yet overwhelming experience. From preparing for the flight to navigating the airport and managing the in-flight experience, it's important to be well prepared. Here's a detailed guide to help you navigate your first international flight smoothly. 1. Pre-flight preparation. Passport and visa. Passport. Ensure that your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended return date. Some countries require this as a condition of entry. Visa. Check the visa requirements for your destination country. Apply for a visa well in advance if necessary, as processing times can vary. Research your destination. Entry requirements. Familiarize yourself with the entry requirements, such as health declarations, vaccinations, and customs regulations. Local customs and culture. Understanding the local customs, language, and culture will enhance your travel experience and help you avoid any unintentional faux pas. Book flights and accommodation. Flight booking. Book your flights early to get the best rates. Consider factors like layovers, flight duration, and departure times. Accommodation. Reserve your accommodation in advance. Ensure your hotel is in a safe area and accessible from the airport. Travel insurance. Why it's important. Travel insurance is crucial for international travel. It covers medical emergencies, trip cancellations, lost luggage, and other unforeseen events. Choosing a policy. Look for a comprehensive policy that covers health, travel disruptions, and personal belongings. Currency and finances. Currency exchange. Exchange a small amount of local currency before departure for immediate expenses like transportation. Credit or debit cards. Notify your bank of your travel plans to avoid your cards being blocked. Check if your cards have foreign transaction fees. Packing essentials. Carry-on bag, travel documents, passport, visa, boarding passes, travel insurance, and hotel reservations. Electronics and chargers, phone, laptop, camera, universal adapter, and charging cables. Personal items. Prescription medications, toiletries in travel-size containers, a change of clothes, and snacks. Checked luggage. Clothing. Pack versatile, weather-appropriate clothing and footwear. Toiletries. Ensure liquids are under the 100 milliliters, 3.4 ounces limit if carrying them in hand luggage. Other essentials. Travel pillow, eye mask, headphones, and a small first aid kit. Health and safety. Vaccinations. Some countries require proof of vaccinations, such as yellow fever or COVID-19. Ensure you're up to date with any required shots. Medications. If you take prescription medications, bring enough for the duration of your trip, along with a copy of your prescription. 2. At the airport. Arrival at the airport. Arrival time. Arrive at the airport at least 3 hours before an international flight to allow ample time for check-in, security screening, and immigration. Airport transportation. Plan your transportation to the airport in advance. Consider traffic conditions if traveling during peak hours. Check-in process. Online check-in. If possible, check in online 24 hours before your flight to select your seat and avoid long queues at the airport. Check-in counter. If you have checked luggage or need to verify travel documents, proceed to the airline's check-in counter. Have your passport, visa, and ticket ready. Security screening. Documents ready. Keep your boarding pass and passport handy. Security protocols. Remove your shoes, belt, and any metal objects. Place laptops and liquids in separate bins for screening. Prohibited items. Ensure you're not carrying any prohibited items in your carry-on or checked luggage. Immigration and customs. Immigration check. Present your passport, visa, and boarding pass at the immigration counter. Answer any questions honestly and clearly. Customs declarations. Declare any items required by law, such as large sums of money, goods to sell, or items subject to duty. Airport navigation. Finding your gate. After clearing security, check the departure board for your gate number and proceed there. Larger airports may have signs and shuttles to help you navigate between terminals. Duty-free shopping. Take advantage of duty-free shops for last-minute purchases. Be mindful of time, as boarding typically begins 30-45 minutes before departure. Lounge access. Benefits of lounges. Airport lounges provide a comfortable place to relax, with amenities like Wi-Fi, food, and beverages. Access. You may access lounges through airline status, premium tickets, or lounge memberships like Priority Pass. 3. Boarding the flight. Boarding process. Boarding groups. Airlines board passengers in groups, usually based on seat location or ticket class. Listen for your group to be called. Gate check. Have your boarding pass and passport ready for the final check before boarding the plane. In-flight preparation. Seating. Store your carry-on in the overhead bin or under the seat in front of you. Keep essential items like your passport, phone, and any medication in a small bag within reach. Seatbelt and safety. Buckle your seatbelt and listen to the safety briefing. Familiarize yourself with the emergency exits. 4. In-flight experience. Staying comfortable. Long-haul flight tips. Stay hydrated, move around periodically to prevent stiffness, and wear comfortable clothing. Consider bringing compression socks for better circulation. Sleep. Use a neck pillow, eye mask, and earplugs or noise-canceling headphones to help you sleep. Entertainment. In-flight entertainment. Most international flights offer movies, TV shows, music, and games on personal screens. Bring your own entertainment as a backup. Books and magazines. Bring a book, e-reader, or magazines to pass the time. Meals and drinks. Meal service. Most international flights include meal service. Check with your airline if you have specific dietary requirements. Drinks. Avoid excessive alcohol and caffeine, as they can dehydrate you. Drink plenty of water throughout the flight. Managing jet lag. Time zone adjustment. Try to sleep according to the destination's time zone. Avoid napping for extended periods during the flight. Light exposure. Upon arrival, get as much natural light as possible to help reset your internal clock. 5. Arrival at your destination. Immigration and customs. Immigration process. Present your passport, visa, and arrival card, if required, to the immigration officer. Answer any questions clearly and truthfully. Customs check. Declare any items as required. Follow the green, nothing to declare, or red, goods to declare, channels as appropriate. Baggage claim. Collecting luggage. Follow signs to the baggage claim area. Check the screens for your flight's carousel number. Lost luggage. If your luggage is lost or delayed, report it to the airline's baggage service desk immediately. See transportation to your accommodation options. Consider pre-arranged transportation, airport shuttles, taxis, or rideshare services like Uber or Lyft. Currency. Have some local currency ready for transportation, tips, or other immediate expenses. 6. Tips for a smooth journey. Stay organized. Keep all your important documents in one place, such as a travel wallet or document organizer. Stay informed. Monitor flight status and gate changes through airline apps or airport information screens. Be patient. Travel can be stressful, especially with delays or long queues. Stay calm and allow extra time for unexpected situations. Stay connected. Keep a portable charger handy for your electronics. Consider an international phone plan or SIM card for data and calls abroad. 7. Final checklist before departure. Passport and visa. Double-check that you have your passport and any required visas. Travel documents. Confirm you have all necessary documents, including tickets, accommodation details, and insurance. Luggage. Ensure your luggage meets airline size and weight restrictions. Health precautions. Pack any necessary medications and carry a copy of your prescription. Emergency contacts. Have a list of important contacts, including your country's embassy, local emergency numbers, and your hotel. By following these steps, you'll be well prepared for your first international flight, making the experience enjoyable and stress-free.